Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into some of the best automotive accessories out there. Today we're taking a look at what we believe to be the best 2013 Chevy Silverado tail lights available right now. The AUTOSAVER88 rear tail light assembly. This is a high-quality, cost-effective replacement option that brings durability, visibility, and a sleek red finish to your Silverado or Sierra. So what exactly is this product? You're looking at a complete pair of rear tail lights, both the driver and passenger side, designed to fit a wide range of models. It's specifically compatible with the new body styles starting in 2007, so it won't fit the classic body version of that year. One of the strongest selling points of this tail light assembly is that it comes with halogen bulbs and a harness pre-installed, ready to plug and play. That's a big deal if you want to avoid the hassle of sourcing extra parts. These tail lights offer excellent rearward visibility, combining turn signal functionality and running lights in a single unit. This boosts nighttime driving safety while giving your truck a clean, factory-style rear end look. The red lens delivers a simple and OEM-friendly appearance that blends well with original vehicle styling. It's an easy upgrade that enhances both form and function whether you're restoring an older truck or replacing a damaged assembly. The AUTOSAVER88 tail lights are built to last. They feature a one-piece impact-resistant polycarbonate lens known for toughness and shatter resistance. Inside, the metal-plated interior helps maximize brightness. Weatherproofing is another major highlight. The housing is sealed with silicone and includes a one-way vent to prevent moisture buildup, keeping foggy lenses at bay. Rain, snow, and dust won't compromise these tail lights, and the UV-resistant, corrosion-proof build is ideal for trucks that see heavy outdoor use. Installation is straightforward, though professional installation is recommended to avoid misaligned bulbs or heat damage. The OEM-style harness matches factory connections, making the setup simple. Side reflectors are built in to enhance visibility from multiple angles, adding an extra layer of safety in low light conditions. At around $65 for the pair, this assembly delivers excellent value. Compared to dealership pricing, you're saving a substantial amount without compromising on quality. It's also backed by a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. So if you drive a 2013 Chevy Silverado or any compatible model and you want a reliable, stylish, and affordable tail light upgrade, the AUTOSAVER88 rear tail light assembly is a solid choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.